Hey, it's Ben here, and in this quick review, I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of a new software launching called Leadtarget, which creates new dynamic style pop-up forms. And what I mean by this is, instead of just a regular pop-up form that displays over your blog, when someone lands on your site, what it will do, the pop-up form can change per page that you have, and will bring up information based on what the user actually searched for or what the page is about. So you can create one pop-up form that will change dynamically throughout your site based on the specific keywords that people are looking for. And the big reason this could help your business is, instead of having like a one-size-fit-all type lead magnet for all your pages and all your sites, which usually will convert kind of poorly because people are going to different pages of your blog or your site for different information. You can have one that's out there targeting the specific problems and specific pain points that people are searching for or looking for on all different pages of your site. So for example, instead of just one general pop-up form about how to get a fit body, for example, say you're running like a bodybuilding site and your lead magnet talks about some ways you can improve your fitness and build more muscle. You can have a dynamic pop-up form that with the same code on one site where it's giving some information about how to get six-pack abs, talk about how your opt-in form is going to help them get six-pack abs. But then with the same code on a different page, maybe it's talking about getting better arms. You can have that same pop-up form with the same code, only this time talking about how your lead magnet is going to give them better arms this time. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works here in the demo really quick. And basically, Leadtarget, this is a cloud software. These opt-in forms can work with HTML sites, can work with WordPress, and it even comes with a free WordPress plugin to quickly choose what pages you want your opt-in forms that you create to display on. And whenever we get started, you just have to hit create here, and you can choose between light boxes, social ones to increase social sharing, bars like static bars that are at the top of your blog, full screen pop-ups, video ones, for example. So let's just choose a light box one, and then we'll choose one of these forms here. And then first we can start styling this form, and I'm going to show you how to do the dynamic stuff in a second. So let's first just get a picture here. So I'll choose this abs one. And then we can start customizing the headline and the description. So we go here, and then what we want to do first is we want to go to where it says this headline variable text algorithm. And this is where it's going to change the dynamic content here. So instead of just saying, your static headline, what you can do is insert this sign here, and this will display whatever you select as your variable. So for example, say your H1 headline is for how to get six-pack abs. Now if we select that, then inside these brackets, every time that we type these brackets, it's going to say six-pack abs. So, but say for example on another page you have your H1 headline is how to get bigger arms, or your keyword that people typed in Google, how to get more muscle for your biceps. Then in this case it's going to display how to get more muscle on your biceps. So we can type something like, are you looking for, and then our variable, which in this case would be how to get six-pack abs for this page. Then we can go ahead and add some benefits about what our lead magnet is going to do, and then of course they can sign up, and we can embed this on any page that we want, or have it go for multiple pages if we're on WordPress. So each page as this pops up, it will have a different headline based on whatever we set for our dynamic keyword. So I think you understand. I think you get how that works now. And there's also some other things we can do. There's like animation settings. We can have it bounce, flash, or shake. Now here's a site that has it installed on, and if we reload it here, there we go. You can see like it's flashing. And we can choose to have different settings like the exit intent, the timer delay on a first click. We can have it be a scroll campaign. We can have a countdown timer inside it, And then, of course, we can integrate it with these major autoresponders: GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, iContact, and ActiveCampaign, or we can use the custom HTML if you don't have any of these either. And then we can also choose to have it as a call to action form instead of the regular enter your email to sign up. Now, also, along with the pop-ups, you can also have what's called a bot messenger as well. Now, what this will do is basically display like a chat box on your website, and then when you can choose an image and then enter your title, like are you looking to get fit? And basically what it will do is it can give you some options here with these radio buttons, and then you can add different radio buttons based on what you want. So you can say, yes, I'm looking for 6-pack abs. No, I'm not. Oh no, that's the response here. So you can enter custom replies, and basically it will act like a bot messenger where you type something and then you'll get an automatic response back. So there'll be a question here, and then you can choose based on your response, and then the bot messenger will reply. And eventually what you want to do is have it ask for the person's email. So if they choose, yes, I'm looking for 6-pack abs, then what you can say for your response is, great, then enter your email. Can send you a free guide or something like that. And then that's just another feature that comes along with these dynamic pop-up forms. So I definitely think that these can work because I'm a believer that the more specific your lead magnet is and the more specific your call to action is, the better it's going to convert. Just having a general type lead magnet out there for every single page, that's going to result in poor conversions. Because people they're actively searching for a specific problem, and just saying giving away a generic thing like free 6-part video course on how to lose weight, that's not really solving their pressing issue that they're looking for. It's a big difference in saying here's a 6-part video course on how to lose weight compared to here's 6 steps you can use right now to immediately lose 10 pounds over the next week with by eating smoothies. That's something that's going to convert a lot better. So the more specific you can be, the better that will help. And this will save a lot of time because instead of going and creating a lead magnet for every single page, if you're going to be doing blogging, then you can use the WordPress plugin and just specify a dynamic pop-up form to pop up on a lot of these different pages that relate to the keyword that people are typing in. Some of the drawbacks though, I don't think there's a way to mass embed for the HTML or like Shopify type pages or things like that. There might be, so you should make sure to check out the sales page for more information, but I didn't see any when I was reviewing it. Of course, it will work for WordPress though. And you may need to create additional lead magnets. So this isn't just like one type of like one size fits all solution where you just paste one of these lead target codes in your blog and specify it for all pages, and then you think, well, that's it, I don't have to create any more lead magnets or more pop-ups or anything like that. Well, you still need to have a great lead magnet to begin with. So for example, if someone lands on a conversion, if you say you have like a blogging page where you talk about blogging and social media and things, and your lead magnet talks about how to get traffic with Facebook to your blog, that's great if you have like a social media blog post that you embedded on, or a Facebook post that you embedded on. But what if you embedded on a blog post where you talk about how to get better conversions? Well, that lead magnet won't convert very well, even if you mention their keyword in the title. You still need to have some other lead magnets other than just one mass one, especially if you have a bigger blog and you want to run these lead target forms over it a lot. And I thought maybe some of these forms could use a little bit more flexibility. Now, they definitely look good. They put a lot of effort into the design and they don't look bad at all. But maybe there's some way to like drag and drop it maybe for a little bit more flexibility. But again, though, I do think that a lot of these forms look pretty good. Especially these social ones too. Now, if you want, you can upgrade to the OTO1, and that's going to include these premium templates here that you see. These actually look even better. And you'll also get a Facebook Messenger bot and that basically lets you build a Facebook list that you can mass message at any time. And you can also get this A/B split testing module as well, where you can split test different pop-ups that you create to see which one's converting better, and that's in the OTO1 upgrade. And you'll get some extra animations too to add to the different pop-ups. So if Leadtarget looks like something that can help your business, it goes on sale for a big early bird discount at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you'll get a ton of really high valuable bonuses below. And you definitely want to check out the bonuses for this one because it's really packed with value and very unique softwares that will help you with lead generation. So if it looks good, make sure to get it through my link, and then you'll get all the bonuses listed below.